whilst I was cleaning out my brother's garage for him, I was hoping to come across a black widow or a recluse, brown recluse spider. So I've never seen one before. While I'm here in Georgia, might as well. But I did come across this fellow. Where is it? Here. That is the brown widow. More aggressive, I would say, than the black widow. Same sort of toxin if they bite, and they're more likely to bite than the black widow. But yeah, it's a fascinating little creature. He really wants to get out this jar. Look at him. Well, actually, let's have a look. I need him to turn around again. Let's have a look at him. Yeah, I think it's male. By the what they call the boxing gloves at the front of his mouth. Yeah, if you ever see one of these in your home, don't kill it. Capture it like I have, and then evict him outside.